Hey, 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 it's me, it's Mindy, and I have stuff to show you today. I have some unique things here that I haven't seen before. I have something that's not diamond painting related. I'm going to show you that here in just a second. So, welcome one and all, new and returners and all that stuff. And thank you for watching videos. I appreciate it so much. This package of goodies is from Fansells. My Fansells finds. I love finding stuff at Fansells. All right, so like I said, let's start with the thing that is not a diamond painting. Let's slide that to the side. And I'm going to take this out of the package first before I show you. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready to show you. Ready? Boo. Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? He's felt. I mean, this is all felt. This isn't. This is a flannel up here, but this is felt. And look at, he's got a furry beard. I just probably put my head all in the camera. Furry beard, and he says, boo. Isn't he cute? So will he sit up? Well, he's going to have to be adjusted. He's got beans in his butt here, so I'm going to have to adjust his beans to get him to sit. There we go. He'll sit. See? Just give him a little, there you go. Sit up, mister. Isn't it cute? I had to get it when I saw it. So yes, Fansells has things that are not diamond paintings. They have like gift accessories and stuff. I mean, they have all kinds of things. I'll link him below. I think there may have been some others. I don't remember for sure though, but just squish his little beans around in his butt and make him stand up like you want him to. There you go. Cute. Love him. Love him. Love him. You should have had something on the end. I could glue a pom-pom on the end, couldn't I? All right. So I'm going to show you these first because it was probably just a couple days ago, thinking of how I'm recording videos, that I showed these, but I showed these in full drill, and I said I was getting them in special drill, right? Ta-da! Just like that. The magic of YouTube. Full drill one day. Well, not like one day later, but you know what I mean. So here's the special drill ones, and they're the exact same two. 16 different colors in this one. Lots of rhinestones. But we should get some special drills. Oh yeah, we got special drills up here. This whole mum is going to be special drills. Okay, it's going to be pretty. Let's look and see what we have. How do you like that? I told you I had them coming. Oh. So fall is in the air. And I had this discussion the other day with a friend that I'm not into Halloween. Really, I'm not into Halloween. But I do like my fall stuff. Pumpkins, gourds, the fall flowers. I'm all into that. All right, here we have it. Red, yellow, green, some regular black drills, some amber, brown, gold colors, orange, kind of orange, blue. Here's some shards. Okay, I told you we're going to have special drills, right? The shards are going to be all this sunflower. Perfect. And then we have some shiny iridescent marquees, like a gold color. Then we have these fiery orangey red ones. We have some ovals. You don't get ovals very often, but those are red ovals. And then a couple more rhinestones, a red and a yellow. I love it. Love it. I love all the different colored pumpkins. I love my jars, love my flowers. You know that. You know that. I don't have to tell you that, right? All right, you sit over there. So here's the other one. Remember it? Remember it? I talked about the Japanese lantern things here. Chinese lanterns. Japanese, Chinese. I don't know what they are. But these, if you let these things grow, they will take over. Look at all the special drills. All of these flowers are going to be special drills. Love it. 14 different varieties we have here. And the blue jars. Love it. Love it. Just love it. Okay, here we go. Blue, olive green. I don't know what that is. That's kind of like a cranberry color. Blue, a couple of oranges, a gold, a green, and then we're to the special drills. Some big round, smooth, some pink marquees, the orange marquees, the yellow marquees, and those fiery, oh my gosh, these are our petals. All of those are our petals. We have pink flower, an orangey flower, a yellow flower, a red flower. Oh my gosh, aren't they going to be pretty? So pretty. I love them. I love them. I am more inclined to do the special drill ones than the full drills. You know that, right? You know that. All right. All right, this is something I haven't seen before. So, of course, we have to check this out, right? Fansells finds. All right, what do we have here? Well, we have a whole bunch of strings. There you go. Bright yellow strings. We have our special drills. We have a toolkit. All right. So what's in the little bag? What's in the little bag? I'll tell you when I can open it. Here we go. No. Yes. That's where it opens. Okay, there's a bunch of things in here. They're very thin, which is fine. All right. So what do we have? What is this? What is that? What is that? I have no idea what that is. Do you know what that is? Does it go like that? I don't know. Does it go like this? No, I don't know what that one is. I give. I'll have to think about that. Think about that. What is that? I really don't know. Okay, let's move on. This one, I can tell what that is. That's a gnome. That's a bee gnome. It must be some sort of a gnome or something. That's a sunflower. All right. Here's another bee type gnome. These are thin. The thin, very flexible plastic. A basket of flowers. All right. Another bee gnome. Is he different? I mean, he's different. He's a bee gnome. He's got to be something to do with. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. How cute is that one? We have a little car. That's adorable. Oh, look at love. Oh, this is so cute. This was not the only set of this. Of course, you know there are other varieties. Look at him. He's cute too. Okay, so we got like our 4 gnomes there. Look, we got a watering can. That's probably supposed to say something. I have no idea what, but you could take that out. Anyhow, look at, what is that one? What is that? Is it a bird? Plane? What is it? I don't know. You let me know what you think that one is, okay? I'm still looking at it. It almost looks like a bird, but is that feet? It doesn't have gnome feet, so it's not a gnome. These are cute. Like I said, they had other sets. These are thin, so you got your little strings, and they can be ornaments. They can dangle on a package, on a present. You know, maybe you can put them all on one string if you wanted to. There's endless possibilities, but they're super cute. I like them. My guess is it's probably all rhinestones, but let's see. What is that? Almost looks black. Golds, brown, orange, yellow, pinks. That truly looks black there, or really dark gray, one of the two. Green, clear, orange, pink, orange. I like it. What's going to make the yellow? All that is for the yellow? The yellows? I don't know. No, number 2. Where's number 2? Oh, they're going to be more golden color. Okay. All right. And then sometimes they're the yellow. The 6 is the yellow. All right. Super cute. Super cute. Sir, I really don't know what you are, but I think it's a bird. I don't know. Okay, let's put them away. They're fun. All right. Come on. Come on, little guys. You got to go over here. They're hard to get off the counter because they're thin. But they're pretty. They're so cute. All right, almost. We're almost there. Okay. All right. You guys all stick together over here. I got one more item to show you. And I talked about it in a previous video. This is the box that my mailman decided he would shove this whole package into my mailbox. He decided he would shove this in there. Like he thought that was going to fit. This was completely like folded and crunched. Luckily, the piece inside was down in the bottom. It was all folded up. I'm like, are you kidding me? Really? Why? Why do you think that you should do that? I don't know. Why? Especially since you're coming up to my porch. You're coming up to the porch. Bring both packages. Is that difficult? You know? Apparently it was extremely difficult. We'd rather shove it. I think he broke the flag on my mailbox too, by the way. Yeah. All right. Oh, look, got the same Christmas guy. I've seen him on the last item like this. I don't know why they do that. I'm not a fan of those, but you can always cover it with something too, right? You could do that. I mean, like you could take some Mod Podge and just put a paper on here and then just cut a slit. You could do that and make it whatever you'd want it to be. Because I don't think it will peel off. Anyhow, that's our stand. Here's our drills. Ooh, we got some big white ones in there. Those are nice. What do we have? We have this. Ooh, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. There's a blue one too. That is a Christmas ball like that. I like it. Look, special drills, little special drills. We're going to have a lot of special things here. All these are specials around here. Ah, pretty. See, it just doesn't, I mean, this one would be okay with Santa. I mean, I think this one would go okay with Santa. He really would. And you don't see much of Santa anyhow, so what's the point of putting him on there? You know what I mean? But at least the colors match and everything like that. The other one I don't think matched very well. But I just came up with that thought. Mod Podge a piece of paper on here, cut your own slit in there, and you could make it whatever you want. That would be easy. Cute though, right? So yeah, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for Christmas stuff to come out because Christmas is my time of the year. My time. Love all the Christmas stuff. So, ooh, we got a lot of special drills. They're all coming out. Hang on. There. Stay over there. I'll show you those in a minute. Okay, rhinestones first. Clear, red, peach, green, couple of blues. Oh, another blue, another green. Oh, white AB. Throw some white ABs in there. Yes, please, and thank you very much. I hope that it is like all of this through here. That's what I'm hoping. What number is it? 9. It's not. Where's the 9s? Where are the 9s? Ah, I swear it said 9. It says 9. Where are they? It can't be that hard to find the 9s, can it? I don't see any. Huh. I'll have to examine this further. I don't see one single 9 on here. Okay. Let's keep going. See what else we have. See if these match up. We have all the way up through, I see up through 14, 15. And my thought is I don't have the right drills because I don't have 15. All right. Well, I'm going to have to check this, but like these would work. I don't have 15. I'm missing like one. Okay, there's just one 15. It's right there. I don't have that one. I have up to 14. Stars? Do we have stars in here? I don't know. There might be a problem with my drills. I'll have to get back with you and let you know. I'll let you know. We got 13 and 14, 2 different sizes. See, this is wrong. 13? 13 does not match that, right? So we have the wrong drills. See? 13s? No. 13s are like a teardrop. All right. So let me get with Fansells and say, hey, I have the wrong drills to go with my project here. I was getting all excited too, but these are not the correct ones. They looked good for a minute, but they're wrong. All right, I'll get with Fansells and let them know those are the wrong ones. Okay, this poor guy had a rough start from beginning to end, didn't he? All right, everything else is cool though. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll let you know how this turns out with Fansells. I'll let him know right away. Email him right now. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see everybody soon. Bye.